By the title, you already know what we're gonna do today. I don't know if you guys remembered, but a whole year ago, yes, it's been a year, I received this box full of makeup from Be Pure. And as you can see, I still have a lot of products in here. All of these Be Pure products are sold at Dollar Tree. And I was wondering what I should do with this box. What else but do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup? First up, we have this blemish concealer for acne-prone skin with salicylic acid in the shade Nude. I feel like I actually need this today because for some reason I'm breaking out. So any makeup with skincare in it, come my way. I'm not even gonna lie, this is definitely not my shade at all. This is way too light of a concealer. It's okay because we're putting it under a foundation anyway. Hello, is any product gonna come out? Finally got some product out. I'm gonna put some under my eyes and wherever I have blemishes. You know what, it's okay that this isn't an exact color match because isn't the light under eye in, right? Right. We really have to blend this in a lot. Okay, that's not too bad so far. Also guys, while I'm doing this, let me know in the comments down below if you like to use Dollar Tree makeup and which brands you usually go for. I put a lot more on my forehead than I thought. Alright, on camera I think I look good, but in person I look slightly ghosty. It's okay because we have this Clean Beauty Glow Foundation in the shade Golden Bronze. I think this one's gonna work just fine. I don't think I've ever had a foundation in a tube. Ooh. There it is though. Okay. Tad bit light, a tad bit light, but it's definitely gonna blend out. The way I have to pull my hair back for you guys to see. Yes, cover up those blemishes, please. Is it me or I look more ghostly than before? I'm scared. Next up is contour. This is the Glow Up Contour in the shade Fair Medium. Last time I used medium to dark. Let's see if this one works though. Hyaluronic acid. 3 dots. Warm it up a little bit. It's contour, but I'm also kind of using it as a bronzer. Can you guys see it? I have to really blend that out. Also on this side. How do you guys think this is gonna go? Do you think it's gonna look good in the end or bad? Right now it's not looking too good, but I feel like I always make a way. If you watch my makeup challenges on TikTok or even on YouTube Shorts, I'll always find a way, or try to. I'm doing a little bit on my forehead. Why is this closer to my foundation shade than the actual foundation? Okay, this is me after contour. Before I put on setting powder, I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick. Finally, time for pressed powder. I'm nervous about this one too because it also looks a tad bit light. But this is in the shade Tan and it's pressed powder for acne prone skin, clarifying with salicylic acid. I don't know, we're just gonna go in and hope for the best. It's actually darker than I thought it was gonna be, which is good. Please settle all this concealer and foundation. Keep patting. Is it looking better, guys? You let me know. This is kind of a challenge for me to do a full face with Dollar Tree makeup, but at the same time I want to show you guys that you can use dupes, you can use more affordable products and still end up with a good look. I don't have eyeshadow, but I have an idea. I'm gonna use this lip color and cream blush duo for both my eyes and my cheeks. This is in the shade Late Night. It already looks super pretty, so I'm excited to try this out. I want to squish it. Oh, definitely more creamy than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. Ooh, it's a little bit more pigmented than I thought it would be, but that's a great thing. Yup, I definitely look blushed out. It's a pretty color, I like it. Now let's try to use it for eyeshadow. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I have seen that it is good to use the same color to make everything look cohesive on your face. Is anything even going on? I'm really gonna zoom you guys in, also for me to see better. Wait, that's actually super pretty. I hope you guys can see it well on camera. Hopefully I spread it evenly throughout my eyelids. Now for lips, I have 4 different products here. I honestly feel like this nude lipstick is going to be way too light and the red is gonna be too bold. So maybe Bordeaux Bliss is the way to go. I might do Bordeaux Bliss and add on this rose lip jelly on top. I really wish we had some lip liner here, and top it off with some lip jelly. In person, this actually looks pretty good. But on camera, I don't know if it's my lighting. I feel like it's messing up with the look a little bit. But last, I'm just gonna add on some of my own mascara since I don't have a Dollar Tree mascara. I think it should be okay. Alright, and that's the final makeup look with my full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Let me know how you think I did in the comments down below. I think it ended up looking pretty good. But my overall review is that they would probably work better for someone who's lighter toned. It looks just a little bit like I started doing makeup recently and haven't learned my shades yet, but that's because some of these shades are just not dark enough or need a little bit more warmth to them. But you know, it's okay if there's room for growth. There are also a whole bunch of other makeup products at Dollar Tree that I haven't tried out that maybe have better shades, but I'm not sure. My favorite's probably the lips. I think these turned out really well. Also, please make sure to give this video a like, comment down below some videos that you want to see from me, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.